Today, we're tackling a question that many of us face when thinking about the future. How much life insurance do I really need? It can seem overwhelming, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you. The primary goal is to ensure that your loved ones can maintain their lifestyle, cover any debts, and meet future financial goals without your economic contribution. Life insurance is essentially about income replacement and financial security. One factor to consider is debts and mortgages. This should include your home mortgage, car loans, credit cards, and any other personal debts. Income replacement. Consider how many years your family would need support, and then multiply your annual income by that number. What are your future obligations down the road? Think about future needs, like your children's education costs or plans for retirement savings, and how you may cover those expenses. And lastly, final expenses. Don't forget to include the cost of funeral expenses and any medical bills that might be left behind. A popular rule of thumb is to buy life insurance that's 10 to 15 times your annual income. For example, if you make $50,000 a year, you might consider a policy between $500,000 and $750,000. But let's make this more personalized. To personalize your life insurance, add up your financial obligations. Include your total debts, estimated future obligations like college tuition, and estimated costs for final expenses. Subtract your assets. This includes any savings, existing life insurance policies, and investments that can be used towards these expenses. And adjust for your dependents. If you have children, you may need more insurance than someone without dependents. The same goes for those who are caregivers for aging parents or other relatives. When choosing your life insurance, also consider inflation. What seems like enough now might not be sufficient in 20 years due to inflation, so plan accordingly. Your health can affect your premiums and what policies you're eligible for, so it's best to get life insurance while you're healthy. Review regularly. Life changes, such as getting married, having children, or getting a significant raise at work, can all affect how much life insurance you need. Review your policy every few years or after major life events. Thank you for watching our guide on determining how much life insurance you need. It's a big decision, but with the right planning, you can ensure that your loved ones are protected financially.